Good morning, how's everyone doing? Welcome back to another video on the channel where today we'll have a parcel. Right, so I know my room's a mess, please bear with me, but I bought a weightlifting belt off eBay for, try and guess how much, comment down below, I'm going to tell us in a minute. It was very cheap, that's why I wanted to buy it and see what it was like. But I've got it in all black, it looks absolutely amazing. Comment down below how much you thought it was. Actually, I'll tell you at the end of the video. So I thought I'd do an unboxing and do a little review on it, like take it to the gym, do some lifts with it, try it out. And yeah, put this weightlifting belt to the test to see how much I paid for it versus what I actually got out of it and the quality of it. Okay, so when you think of weightlifting belts, you think of like say Hardbody, SBD, them type of brands, and they're all like 70, 100 pounds. No hate to Brandon Harden and Hardbody, like they are amazing products, but with this I wanted to see how it would compare to them with the price. So for example, I'm going to use Brandon Harden's, just the normal black and silver leather weightlifting belt there. I'm pretty sure it's £75, and basically I've ordered the exact same size and everything with this weightlifting belt, and let's see how they compare. Okay, so I got the package here, it came this morning, and it's got some weight to it, to be fair. Obviously the quality of the packaging isn't that great, it's just a plastic bag, whereas I know that the Hardbody one comes in like a fully branded bag and everything, whereas this is just standard postage. But it does definitely have some weight to it. Okay, so it does come in like a cover bag. Oh, okay, actually to be fair, it does come in like a carry bag. Well, almost a carrier bag, that's the handle. Oh, the handle that's already just ripped as I went off camera. Anyway, moving on. Okay, so if I unzip it, I got in a size medium because that's what size I am. I have no clue how I'm going to get this back in the bag, like how tightly it's been like packaged in there. Okay, so you got the all black belt here. It does feel it's a 10mm belt, and it does feel pretty good quality, which is, I think this is what like half the weight is coming from. Okay, so the buckle comes in 3 parts, there's no instructions, and I don't know how to do it, so I'm gonna come back to you once I figured out how to put this on. I'll see how easy it is, to see if I can do it by myself. But yeah, the belt looks alright for the quality. It did say it was brand new, and then obviously you got the black buckle here, which actually does look pretty cool. Okay, and this is it. Not gonna lie, it was a bit of a struggle trying to get the leather on because I had to use a screwdriver and everything, and then I didn't put on the right like size hole thing on the first try, so I had to unscrew it and then put it on the right size. But I think I've got it on the right size now. I can breathe properly, like, but it's tight enough so that I can push against it. And the best part of it is why I got a leather belt in the first place. You can unclick it like that. My one only like thing that I dislike about it, I'd say, is that the buckle comes out the holes when you undo it sometimes, so you have to like re-put it in and then put it on. But yeah, this is it. I can imagine like going for a lift now. This actually feels really nice. Like, obviously I'll try it out tomorrow when I go back to the gym, and we'll actually put it to the test, but so far so good, I'd say. I can already imagine like going to pick it up like and then undoing it. Like, tell me you're a weightlifter, powerlifter, bodybuilder, whatever, without saying that you're one of them. That sound there is honestly one of the most satisfying things. Yeah. Okay, so one thing I have just noticed there is it is already starting to like scratch where it like clips. So that maybe isn't a good thing. It isn't that good quality on paint. Okay, so I just made a purchase which, let's just say, I'm very happy with. If you know, you know. That sound. Okay, and it's the next day. Today I'm doing pull at the gym. I'm wearing the belt right now. So I'm doing pulls a lot, which means I'll be doing deadlifts, and then tomorrow I'm going to test it on squats because I'm doing leg day tomorrow. I decided to go with an all black outfit at the gym today, which is probably a mistake because it's sunny outside today for once during the summer holidays. But yeah, black hoodie, black joggers, all black belt. So I'm gonna warm up now and then I'll film me doing deadlifts. I'm not gonna go for any PRs, I just want to like try it out, see how it works when doing the lifts. Like, see how comfortable it is, whether it stays on properly and stuff. But yeah, let's go and get some deadlifts in.
And imagine a utopia. Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a
Okay, and that's leg day done. Sorry I only filmed squats in the gym, got like busy as soon as I like came out of the squat room. I was gonna film the rest of my workout, but there was just too many people around. But yeah, let's get home and I'll give you a final verdict and review on the belt. Okay, so my final thoughts on the belt. One of the things with the belt is it is built to last. It is very heavy duty. And I think just because it's new, I think it just needs wearing in. It is a bit, it's not uncomfortable, but it's like you do need to wear it in quite a bit, and it is quite like hard, especially if you got it like it's gonna like rub on your hips. I definitely noticed that, but it just needs wearing in, I think. Overall, I'm gonna give it a 7.9 out of 10. Because for the price for other ones on the market and what it compares to, yeah, 7.9, it's definitely up there. So yeah, I paid a total of £23, I think, for this belt, which is about a third of what belts are usually. And yeah, if you want to buy this belt yourself, I'm going to leave the link to it in the description. If you do buy it and use the link, it'll help me out as well, so please do that. If you want to give this belt out a go for yourself, I would actually really recommend it. And yeah, if you have any more questions about the belt, please put them in the comments down below. I'm going to end the video here. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like, and if you're new, subscribe, turn notifications on. We're posting weekly during the 6 weeks, and I've got some really exciting videos coming up. As if you made it this far, please comment down below RTG. I'm going to tell you what that means in a second, because my next video I'm going to be explaining a new series that I want to start on the channel, so please comment RTG if you made it up until this point in the video, so I know that you're a true supporter. But yeah, I'm going to be starting a new series called RTG. Comment down below what you think it means as well. I'll reveal it all in the next video, and then the videos after that I've got some really exciting things because I'm going away for a bit. Not away from YouTube, away on holiday, so exciting content there. And yeah, that's it. Losing my words, but yeah. Link is in the description for the belt. It was not actually like sponsored or anything. I'm just going to put the link in and I'll earn a big commission. It's not, if it wasn't good, I would say. But I'm actually going to carry on using this belt. It's actually quite decent. And yeah, with all that said, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.